Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chrysler 300 headlight. Before starting, it is important to gather all necessary tools. You will need a new headlight bulb, protective gloves, and possibly a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm socket. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the engine turned off for safety. Knowing your specific bulb type, such as a 9012 or D3S, is crucial for a successful replacement. Now, let's gain access to the headlight bulb. First, open your vehicle's hood and locate the headlight assembly. For the passenger side, access is usually straightforward. Simply find the round black plastic dust cover at the back of the assembly. Twist this cover 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. On the driver's side, you may need to loosen 3 screws on the airbox cover and remove the lower airbox half to create enough space for easy access. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the old bulb by pressing its release tab. Next, twist the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out of the housing. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Insert the new bulb, then twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness until you hear it click. You're almost done. Reinstall the dust cover by twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise until it is snug. If you remove the airbox on the driver's side, reattach its lower half and secure the 3 screws. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working properly. Once confirmed, securely close the hood. You have successfully changed your Chrysler 300 headlight bulb using this easy method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.